In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for ticketing. We'll walk through setting up a simple, reliable ticketing system in ClickUp using a ready-made template, so your team can capture issues, track progress, and close requests without reinventing the wheel. By the end, you'll have a structured list for tickets that you can start using right away. First, head to ClickUp and sign into your workspace. Once you're in, choose the space where you want your ticketing to live. Spaces are the top-level areas in ClickUp, often aligned to teams or departments, so pick the one that makes sense for your support or operations work. If you manage multiple teams, selecting the most relevant space now will keep permissions and reporting clean later. Inside that space, look for the plus icon to create something new. Click it, and then choose the option to browse templates. Templates are the fastest way to set up standardized workflows, and they come with statuses, views, and fields already designed for common use cases. In the template gallery's search bar, type ticket. This narrows the results to support-style workflows. From the results, select the Help Desk ticket template. This template typically includes sensible default statuses like open and closed, and fields such as priority and assignee, making it a strong starting point for most teams. Click Use Template. You'll be prompted to name your new list. Choose a clear descriptive name so everyone knows where to submit and track issues. For example, AT Help Desk or Customer Support Tickets. Good naming helps people find the right place quickly and keeps your workspace tidy. Once you've entered the name, click Use Template again and give it a moment to import. Keep the tab open while it loads. Depending on your workspace and what the template includes, it can take a short while to bring in statuses, custom fields, and example views. When it finishes, you'll land in your new ticket list. You should see a set of pre-built views, such as a list view for detailed work and a board view to drag tickets across stages. Try creating a sample ticket to confirm everything looks right. You'll be able to set a title, select a priority, assign an owner, and add any helpful context in the description. If your team uses SLAs or escalations, note where priority and due dates appear so you can keep them front and center. From here, you're ready to start routing requests into this list. Over time, you can fine-tune fields, statuses, and automations to match your process, but the Help Desk ticket template gets you productive on day one.